YouTube mineral from Peacocks. Peacocks is a high street store in the UK. It's very cheap. Well, it was a very cheap store. Prices have gone up slightly. They get some quite interesting things. They have a very small counter. They kind of make-uppy bits and dupes, copies of things like they've got the benefit they're real, copy of that. Do the cozy tint and the rosy coloured tint with it. So they tend to do a lot of quite good dupes. And I picked up these things today which look quite interesting and pretty. First, I picked up Catwalk Face Shapers. And it shows you how to do the highlighting and the contouring, which is something I don't really know how to do yet. I'm learning from the tutorials on YouTube, but it's a really sweet kit. Yeah, so you get, I'll open it and show you, with a nice little brush. And it's quite dense, the brush. And short, which is just good for highlighting. This is what you get. So you get the little short brush. Nice and dense and strong, so you can get the shape. And this is by W7. And then you get the Catwalk Face Shaper. And the consistency is kind of it's creamy. It's creamy. It's also kind of like a feel of a primer, something like Smashbox Photo Finish. It's kind of a waxy cream. And nice. I like the colour of the bronzer. I think this is going to be fun to work with. I should have some fun with that, trying to create what they've got on the back. So, nice little set, slim. I thought it was great, so I'm going to have a go at that later. Next, I think this is beautiful. They do a lot of this sort of thing in there on the bit of cardboard. I can't do the word. I expect you get a lot of this in the US as well. I just thought this was particularly pretty. So here, it's not showing us, but this is rose gold. This is so pretty. I mean, I would pay £5 for that alone. And this little black stone with silver. And this is one of my favourites, I think, this one. I do like that one. Shape of that one. And these are sweet. And what I'd probably do with those, they're on a single band. I'll probably take the band off the back, which is on there. You can see it, and I'll make them all separate. So I can wear them separately. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. It's rose gold one. So pretty that is. So all of those. This one as well. All nice rings in their own right. I like that because it's plain. All these rings on the card for £5 for the floor, which I thought was brilliant. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, this one. It's not showing because rose gold with it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Pretty. So that was one. I didn't tell you the price of this. Is that reduced? That was £6. Catwalk. This one. That was £6, not reduced. But I thought it was worth that. So. And the rings were full price. At £5. Next, this is reduced. So, any reason I got this, I wouldn't have got it if it was full price. At full price it was £12. This is nail art set, but it was £6. Yes, £6. It's in the sale. It's great. You've got 4 nail colours. You've got gold. These are the pinks I love. The sort of bright candy pink, fuchsia pink. This is silver, glittery. And it comes with glitter, chunky glitter, looser glitter, and these lovely square shapes here. Kind of square shapes. And you get a top coat, silver nail file, glittery nail file, cuticle pusher, and little strips. There's quite a lot of these, which make the end of the nails a French polish bit, so you stick them on there. I tend to just use white polish, but you can stick those on the end. And square bits make, let's see, make these lovely shapes here. I think they're going to be great. Make some nice shapes of those. I mean, I don't like this tissue, it's not right, you know. Yeah, you can put it on how you like. And just have some fun. So I thought that was going to keep me busy. It comes with 4 nail polishes, 1 top coat, 10 nail tip sticker sheets, 1 nail file, 1 nail stick, 2 pots of nail jewels, and 2 pots of nail glitter. And yeah, I thought that was an absolute bargain, £6. And you pay that for 1 polish, don't you? And this is by W7 again. War Paint Cosmetics. War Paint Cosmetics. So that's my haul from Peacocks in the UK. Thanks, YouTube.